Hello everybody and welcome to our FbCadCam tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to use the FbCadCam application and what are the common commands and buttons that we use. The first that we're going to use is the Draw Entities tools. In the drawing tools, there are different types of it, like the draw lines. Draw lines used to create a line in the drawing area by clicking the left click button to start a line, then another left click button to end of the line. As you can see, it continues to draw a line when you click another left click button, when you keep pressing the left click button. So as you can see, the small square here, that's called the snap tools, snap to endpoint, so that it connects you to the first of your line. To delete your drawing area or your line, just disable this draw lines, then highlight it all, or you just highlight it by each line if you want, then press delete button, then it deletes the selected line. So the draw lines is one of the most common use in tools. So for example, we want to create a box. Let's say we draw a line, then while we're drawing a line here, just press the L key button for the length, and then change your length to 300 for example. Then your first line that you create is length by 300. If you want to continue the line and you want to change the length of it again, then press L, change it to 300 again, then press another left click to end of your line, then another 300 here, then another 300 here, so press the right click button to delete the continuous of your line, or disable it. If you want to delete this, then press the delete key button. So as you can see, we create a box that length of 300 by 300 in every corner. So you can also set the length here in the line properties, for example the selected line, and change it to 500 for example. So as you can see, it changes the line into 500. So that's how you use the draw lines tool. So if you want to save your work, just click this button to save your drawing, and then name it box.dxf, and then choose your location you want to save. For me, I want to save it into my desktop. Then click save button to finish your project, then you're good to go. So that's how you use the draw line tool. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you learn a lot. Leave a like, share and subscribe to this YouTube channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.